What is the meaning of presentation layer is nothing but here user interface. So as a user, how I'm connecting to your my SAP application server. Once you connecting, how you can bring the data from your database to application to the GUI means you can using a presentation layer only. So presentation you can call it as a user interface, or you can calling it a graphical user interface, or you can calling it a front end, or you can calling it a presentation. Yeah, you can calling it app also. Different name. Even you can connecting from URL also. Okay.
Okay.
Again here, based on the operating system. Okay. So you have the based on the operating the SAP presentation layer that you can calling a SAP GUI was divided into totally three types. The first one is SAP GUI for the Windows. Okay. One it is going to SAP GUI for the Java. One it is going to for SAP GUI for the HTML. These are the three. The first one SAP GUI for Windows, SAP GUI for Java, SAP GUI for HTML. So Sri, what is the meaning of SAP GUI for Windows? The meaning of SAP GUI for Windows, it will be going to further. So my operating system or the customer having a only Windows operating system, you can downloading a SAP GUI for Windows, you can install it either consultant, end user, business client, or any functional guy, you can do that. Suppose my customer having a other than Windows. Let's say he is having a Mac, okay, or
Okay,
he's
sir.
having or is having a AX, okay, or is OS for it. Apart from Windows, if you have anything else, so you can do what we have to do. You can go for SAP GUI for Java was there. Coming to the HTML, it is purely for the browser based. Means either you can connecting a Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, or you can go for Safari, okay, or if you want to go to Google Chrome, okay, anything.
Yes.
This will be going to configure with the help of the SAP GUI for HTML. This is we have to do manually by using the transaction code SIF and even SMISM concept are there. They should be configured. This is purely for the end user. I don't have any apps tree. I want to connecting with the help of the browser.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll do array basis team. We want to configure your SAP application server to URL that you can call it the HTML. Generally, the end users are business clients are they're connecting from this. So apart from this, not only from GUI, you have other things also there. That is the SAP Business Client. So currently, you have the SAP Fiori apps also there. If we go to mobile store or Play Store, sorry, if you go to the Play Store apps app store, your SAP Fiori app is there. So you can connecting the miss anything. Okay, any application server. These are the different ways to connecting your SAP system. Okay.
Okay.
Now coming to the at the time of installation, we have discussed this again where you want to download and all. So as per the discussion, what is the meaning of database here? So database is generally for the storage perspective. Okay, again here SAP as I told it is the independence database in means it will be supporting any DB. So I can installing a SAP anything Max DB or Sybase or DB2 or HANA DB or if you want to go to the if you want to go to the like SQL DB whatever it is you can install it. So there is no restrictions you should be good. Okay, except SY4 HANA. SY4 HANA supporting only for the HANA DB. Next one is
Yes.
the it will be going to further OS independence. Means it will be supporting any kind of operating system. Windows, Linux, Unix. Okay, so AX, okay, OS 400, whatever it is. You can use. Keep in mind again here. So see, I want to installing a SAP onto the Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11, I can install it? Yes, no. Why? Because these all are the client. So you can installing only for the servers. Like we have Windows Server 2003, Windows Server 2008, okay, Windows Server 2012, Windows Server 2016, 2019, latest one is 2020. So
Okay.
SAP you can installing only for the servers. Keep in mind it will be going to for only for the server point of view, not for the client. So you cannot installing the client. It will be going to for only for the installation. Yeah, installation you can do only with